Hello. In this video, we are going to answer one question that is commonly asked in the Java interview questions for experienced developer. So the problem statement they ask is, they have one array list and they want to convert it to the map. While at the converting of the map, they want us to uh, find the occurrence of each element in the list. Okay, so you have one array list as an input and they want you to convert that array list to map using the stream API, Java stream API. So let's see how we can achieve it using the Java stream API. So first of all, let's start with creating the array list. Okay, array list. Let me initialize one array list of integer data type. Okay, then let me okay, so our array list object have been initialized with the default size. Now let me add quickly few of the elements in it. Okay, I will add few elements quickly. So I have added one, then let me copy and get the added couple of more elements in this list. So I have added one 3 times and I will be adding 2, 3 and 4 for only once. Now to get the stream on any connection, what you have to do is you have to use stream method. Okay, so yeah, once I invoke the stream method, I will get the data pipeline or a stream over that collection. Okay, now I will call the collect method. Okay, collect method of stream collect, and then here we will be using collectors dot grouping by. Okay, now I want to in the map resulting map, I want to have the resulting map. I want to look like, this one. For this one I want it, so this one is repeated 2 times, right? So in the resulting map the key would be 1 and its value would be 2. Okay, so how can we do that? Collectors dot grouping by and then num. Okay, and then collectors dot counting. Okay, and now let's receive this result in map. Okay, map of what? Map of integer and long, because collection so here in our case, uh, this collection dot grouping will return result in the return result having the data type as integer in map. So I have created the map with that structure, and now this is my map data. Okay, now let's go ahead and print my map. I will call it as output. Okay, output, let's print map data here. Okay, and let's print our input as well. This is my input, so I will write here as an input list. Fine, let's format our code once and let's run it. Here you see in the input there are element 1 is appeared twice and 2 appeared only once, 3 same, and 4 is also same. And in the output, in the resulting map, I can see that one has a value of 2, 2 appeared once, 3 appeared once, and 4 appeared once. So this is how we converted our list to map and counted the counted the appearance of each element. Okay, so this is mostly asked in interview question, Java interview questions, where interviewer are more interested in how are you able to use stream API effectively or not. Okay, yeah, thank you.